My AI agents trapped in my computer. It's time to set them free. Every weekend, I build some project. This week, I will do something different. I will give something them like physical tool. I will give my smart glasses as an MCP tool. I don't have G2 yet, so I will use my G1, and I will use another G1 that I want from hackathon for recording videos. So this weekend I will build some MCP tool. I will use Mentra SDK because Mentra is really good. They have done really good stuff there. I try to do on my own on Dart library because I decided to use Mentra because I don't want to hassle with so much bugs. It's already maintained well in Mentra. So I didn't want to use also Python. I have a Python package, but I didn't want to, something local, and I didn't want in scope of even realities that so anyone can have Mentra application. They can use this MCP. In here, you can open background applications and you can see your configurations, and you can set simply configuration file. And then you can see from my demo now, I will show you. I will open my demo after this, and we will see that how we are communicating with AI. What's next? And you can see that it will display the result. When I say okay, what's happening? Before we get agreement that when I say okay, he will get transcriptions and then act according to that transcriptions. Now let's see that if AI can hear us. Red apple, yellow, orange. Perfect. So AI, what other application ideas that we can do with Mentra? This is from our agreement that he will get transcriptions now according to that. By the way, it is really nice to chat with you, just writing okay, and you can hear me from transcriptions. I'm just writing okay here, and you can get everything. What do you suggest? What should we do in this demo? Can you tell me? What can we do else? Like what else we can do for this demo? I'm thinking to add this function to my website by my another side project, ultrafocus.space. So there you can see our timer, tasks, etc. What do you think? What do you think about it? Do you want to say goodbye? We are just finishing this demo. What do you want to say? And which model are you? Okay, thank you.